Sangshik is calling. This is Sensor Suju. Here's a quick update on the Middle East war. US officials say one crew member from the crashed F-15E has been rescued. The search continues for the other. Iranian forces are firing rifles at a US military aircraft searching for the pilot over Iranian airspace. This is in the southwestern region of Iran. A US transport aircraft is dropping flares. According to Al Jazeera reports, the US military has now launched a search and rescue operation to find the pilot who crashed in Iran. According to Axios, there were 2 missing pilots. Iranian state media reports a 10 billion toman, about 90 million won, reward for anyone who finds the American pilot. In Tehran, Shahid Beheshti University was struck by an airstrike. An explosion occurred near Evin Prison in Tehran. Near Tehran Mehrabad International Airport, an error in Iran's air defense system caused it to attack its own territory. This is over Farg Island. A transport aircraft was spotted over Farg Island. It then headed towards southwestern Iran. This is Bushehr. A Revolutionary Guard base located in Bushehr was attacked. This is Iran. This shows the destruction of the Imam Hussein Iranian military base in Khorramabad. In Lebanon, Israeli forces carried out a drone attack on a mosque in the south. In the video released by Hezbollah, fighters are seen firing guided missiles at an Israeli Merkava tank in Al-Bayada, southern Lebanon. The tank seems stationary and its defense systems aren't active. The Israeli military killed over 40 Hezbollah members and struck about 75 terrorist bases in southern Lebanon. A missile set to be launched at Israel was destroyed yesterday, killing 3 armed individuals. The fire continues at the fuel storage tank of the Al Ahmadi refinery in Kuwait as firefighting efforts have failed. The Southern Lebanon Water Authority reports that Israeli attacks have damaged key water infrastructure in southern Lebanon. A civilian group told the Lebanese National News Agency that airstrikes caused major damage to facilities in Aibel al-Saki and al-Maysat. A United Nations interim force in Lebanon spokesperson said an explosion at a UN post in El Adait on Friday injured 3 peacekeepers, with 2 seriously wounded. Candace Ardiel said that all of them are currently being transported to the hospital and added that the cause of the explosion has not yet been determined. Iranian President Masoud Pezeshkian, along with other Iranian officials, strongly condemned US President Donald Trump's threat to send Iran back to the Stone Age, criticizing it as an admission of intent to commit a large-scale war crime. Iran's nuclear chief Mohammad Eslami accused the UN nuclear watchdog of colluding in a war against Iran. Eslami wrote to the IAEA, criticizing its silence on US and Israeli attacks on Iran's nuclear sites as clear collusion with the attackers. Iranian state media said Friday that the Iranian Revolutionary Guard denied attacking a desalination facility in Kuwait. According to the semi-official ISNA news agency, Yadollah Rahmani, the governor of Boyar Ahmad in Kogiluya, southwestern Iran, urged residents to pursue the crew of the crashed US military jet, stating that there would be a special reward for anyone who captures or kills them. Israeli Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu claimed that joint US-Israeli airstrikes destroyed 70% of Iran's steel production capacity, stating that these strikes repeatedly targeted Iran's key infrastructure and industrial base. President Trump called for a $1.5 trillion increase in defense spending and cuts to domestic programs. The 2027 budget outline released Friday by the White House confirmed Department of War plans. President Trump's budget will cut US defense spending by 10%, shifting some duties to local governments, according to the White House. The UK has installed the Rapid Ranger in the Gulf region. This short-range system counters drones up to 8 kilometers away and is ideal for fast-moving targets. Emirates Global Aluminium stated that it could take up to 12 months to fully restore primary aluminum production at the Al Tawila smelter in Arab Emirate, which was attacked by Iran at the end of last month. If there is more news in the future, I will make a video and upload it. This concludes the video. Thank you.